Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to use your MKV footage in Adobe Premiere Pro. This has been a challenge for many of you out there, but if you stay tuned, trust me, it will all be history. Now, all you need to do is simply go and open your OBS. Alright, so after opening it, go to and click File at the top left and select Remux Recordings. Alright, Remux Recordings. So what you're gonna do after then, you're gonna look for your MKV footage, look for where you stored it or where you saved it. Then you're gonna open the folder where it is, drag and drop your MKV footage in the open tab and press Remix at the bottom. Alright, at the bottom right, it will be next to cancel. Now when you do that, your footage will be converted into MP4 immediately. Trust me, when you do that, it's going to be converted immediately. Now you can successfully use your converted MP4 footage in Adobe Premiere Pro. This has been a very big challenge for many of you, and I realized the default setting in OBS, whenever you're making a recording, it records in MKV. Adobe Premiere Pro does not support MKV footage, so you need to convert it to MP4. So after doing that, you will simply get your converted footage. You see there are MKV footages right here and MP4 footages right here. All of them are being converted. All right. Now all you need to do is drag and drop your converted footage, that's MP4, into your Adobe Premiere Pro, just like I'm doing it right now. Just follow the steps. Very simple, no hassle, and you'll be good to go. All right. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.